An ultimate guide for travel app development. Do you want to develop an app for your travel business? The travel and hospitality industries are some of the biggest industries nowadays. According to Statista, the global revenue of these international industries is $6.5 trillion. Why do you need an app for your tours and travel business? Via having a fantastic travel app, you can serve your customers in the best way. You can personalize and optimize your app with the help of experienced mobile app developers. Similarly, around 75% of people use traveling applications so that they can plan their trips and their activities more efficiently. Statista.com. Globally, travel and tourism's direct contribution to GDP was approximately $2.9 trillion in 2019. Most of the youngsters plan their trip via an app like Airbnb or MakeMyTrip, so you can leverage this trend by developing an excellent app. What do you know about the travel app? The application which helps the users to book, manage and plan all the activities like transport and hotels which are required for traveling outside are called travel applications. Travel apps facilitate the users to modify the booking dates, manage luggage, provide information on present weather, and much more. Steps to develop an on-demand travel app. Here are some crucial steps that you can follow to develop a mobile app for the travel business. Step 1. Select app type. There are multiple types of travel apps like booking, accommodation, information, or transportation. Choose the right app type depending upon the services you wish to provide. Step 2. Competitor research. You should try to find out as many competitors as possible and list the features which make their application unique and out of the box. Step 3. Decide features. Now, you should list down the features and solutions you wish to have in your application other than the universally applied ones. Step 4. Developers team. Hire an app development company or a team of app developers who can build your app the way you want. The budget should also be considered here. Step 5. Develop the app now. With the developers and team ready, start developing the travel application you desire to be a part of your venture. Now, you are ready to proceed with having an exciting app for your business. You can also consult an experienced mobile app development company for it.